Okay, you guys, I am going to do a quick video showing you how to reach your recordings. So first off, you'll see that all I've done is logged into my OLS, my online classroom. And to reach your recordings, you are going to follow these steps. Go to over here on the left side of your screen where it says classes. And yours looks a little different because you have all of your classes listed on the screen. So if you want to go to a recording for science, if you have Miss Millum or Miss Miller or Miss Burnham for science, you're going to click on your science classroom like I just did. And once it loads, you are going to see right up here recordings, okay? It's always right next to course materials. So click on recordings. And then you're going to click on K. Miller or C. Burnham. Right now, it doesn't matter if you have Miss Miller, Miss Burnham, it doesn't matter which one you click on. But once we are divided into our classes and you know which teacher you have, you're going to want to go to your teacher. Okay, so we're going to go to my recording calendar and now you see the calendar. And if you look right here, it says the flipped lesson. So if it's a flipped lesson, it says lesson title and then it says URL. So on Monday, we had a introduction middle school assembly. This is the URL to that assembly, okay? And then on Thursday, we had our first science lesson. If you missed Thursday's science lesson, you would just click on this URL and follow it to the page, okay? So once I click on it, it's going to take me to Blackboard. You run through Blackboard just like you do everything else. You would open, and this takes just a second each time, and then you would run. Give it just a second to log up. And as you can see, what it did is it opened the classroom from Thursday, okay? So you're going to see the PowerPoint. You're going to see the PowerPoint that we did. You're going to see, you're not going to see any names. It's just going to have participant. And you don't participate in the recordings. You just watch them, okay? So now, we did make a recording for today's lesson, even though you do not have a live class connect today. Ms. Burnham and I made a recording for lesson 1.01 and lesson 1.02. You would just go, I'm sorry, what am I doing? Let me scroll down just a little bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll over so that you can see that full thing. And you'll see there's a recording for 1.01, 1.02. I encourage every single student to watch this 1.01 and 1.02 lesson, and then you need to complete your 1.02 quiz that is on your assignments for today. Okay, so this was just a short lesson on how to reach the recordings. You can do this if you miss a class connect because of a doctor's appointment or you were absent from school for one day. This is how you can go back and you can look at your recordings. Now, you can do this in any class. If you wanted to do this for math, you would just go and instead of clicking on your science class, you would just click your math class, okay? If you have any questions regarding recordings, make sure you email one of your teachers or your homeroom teacher for help, okay? You guys have a great Friday and a great weekend. Bye-bye.